Alright, so if you guys are looking to start your red light therapy journey and you want to do it for under $200, I would definitely look into this. Okay, this is kind of creepy. I'm not gonna lie, and I'm not gonna leave this on the whole video, so just bear with me. Okay, hey guys, it's Shannon Ashley. We are gonna get right into this video, but I want to show you guys the settings on here first. You guys can see just right off the bat how versatile this is. So I'm gonna turn it on. So it comes with the red light, it comes with the blue light, and it comes with the red and blue, which is just purple. Okay, other things is you can, this is what the remote looks like. And you can make it, oh my gosh, I didn't even know you could make it this bright. Okay, cool. This is why we do reviews. So you can make it super bright. I haven't had it this bright yet. I've only had it low. I think I purposely actually only had it low because we're just getting into this experiment. And then you can also change the timer. So you can do it for 10 minutes, 20 minutes, or 30 minutes. Okay, so this is day 3 of my red light therapy mask. Okay, and this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna do like a whole intro, all that. You guys have to excuse my hair, excuse everything, because I'm just coming to you guys barefaced and natural. But this is what the mask looks like. We're gonna do a whole unboxing. It has like these little eye things. Oh, the eye things are in there. Okay, cool. I installed the eye things and they stay. This is just Velcro. It's adjustable. Okay, so let's talk about this. We are getting into this red light therapy mask business. Let me fix my hair before you guys drag me. All right, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Shannon Ashley here. So as you guys saw, this video is about a red light therapy mask that you can find on Amazon. It is the FOLOKE LED light therapy face mask. I call it red light, but it also has blue light, and as you guys saw, purple light, which is the combination of blue and red, for those of you guys remember color theory, if that's what that's called. Okay, so I was super excited to get this in the mail. Surprise, surprise, this company reached out to me, so this is sponsored, but I'm doing it a different way because I know everyone is curious, do these masks work? Do you need the $400 one, or can you get by with one that is maybe not as pricey and get the same results? I think I'm realizing that my part is not like perfectly centered, but that's okay. Okay, so it's day 3 of me using this, and why I'm starting to use a red light mask is because, as you guys can see, and that's kind of why I wanted to come on here without makeup, just be true and real with you guys, is I have dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and acne, and different types of LED light can help relieve your skin of that. And how it does that is it helps the cell turnover in your skin. So basically the light penetrates the layers of your skin and helps your skin get to, like, I think of it as like getting the wheels turning to like produce more cells, to stimulate the cells, collagen, all that, so that you get skin turnover and better skin, which, as you guys can see, I need that. So this is day 3. Hold on, let me fix the lighting. Okay, this lighting is way better. Okay, so this is day 3. It's gonna match a little bit better of the lighting in my bathroom, but you guys can see where we are at. So I had some pretty, I guess you can say, active acne 2 days ago. And now not so much. I've only been using it for 10 minutes a day. I think I'm gonna keep that up for like the first week, and then the next week we'll do 20, and then the third week we'll do 30, and I'm hoping to see a transformation. Okay, I've been seeing a lot of videos on the benefits of red light therapy and how it's helped transform people's skin, but the biggest thing I think with anything with skincare and anything in life is consistency. So that is one thing that I have to really hone in on, is being consistent. But I do have a calendar, so I think I'm just gonna put like a red dot every day I do it, and that'll help me like stay more consistent. Okay, so let's get into the mask and the settings. They give us this cute little book, so I'm just gonna read off a few things. So I'll show you guys how it looked when I got it out of the box. It came really nicely packaged. Everything was like really, just felt really luxe, like they actually took their time with preparing the package and all that. So what I really liked about it is just how like separate it wasn't just like thrown in there. I also like that it has a travel bag because I need to travel with this, and it also comes with a charger, and it came pre-charged, even though you're supposed to charge it for like 4 hours. It came pre-charged, so you can get right to masking right when you get it. They say you should start with a clean face. A lot of people go back and forth, like they want to do it first thing when they wake up or last thing before bed. Doesn't matter, just do it with a clean face and do a patch test. So as you guys can see in the video, I did a patch test on my arm, all was well. I didn't have any dark spots or any reaction. So after I did the patch test, I went ahead and put it on my face. When I unboxed it, here's what came in the box. It came with one LED light therapy face mask, one portable storage bag, which I really appreciate because I'll be able to travel with it, one USB charging cord, 2 straps, and those straps are just for here. So you're just gonna loop them in so that way they can go around your head. It also came with 2 eye masks, and those you just plop in here to help protect your eyes. So as you guys saw when I opened the video, it does have different modes, which I think is really cool because you can build up to the red light therapy that works best for you. So again, you guys, it comes with 3 different light settings. Like I showed you guys in the beginning, it has the red light. You can change how bright you want that to be. It has the blue light, and it has the red and blue light, which is really just purple. Okay, and then you can also change, like I said, the timing. So if you want it to be like 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes. I think that's really cool. I didn't see a lot of other masks have all those different settings, so I really liked that. Another thing that I think is really cool about this mask is like the detail in the manual. And I know this sounds very basic, but a lot of stuff on Amazon does not break down everything like this does. So as I was like wearing the mask the first time, you guys could literally see I was reading this. So I saw that red light therapy helps with anti-aging, wrinkle removal, promotes collagen tightening and increased elasticity in your skin, and then blue light therapy helps antibacterial and anti-inflammatory. It helps treat skin problems such as skin acne and pimples. And then red light and blue therapy, which is just purple, helps with acne, pimples, pole stools, etc., and has the advantage of high efficiency, good results for anti-scarring. So what I have heard with melanated skin is that you want to be careful with blue light because it can actually lead to hyperpigmentation. So that's probably going to come further down the line, like once I get a handle on red light therapy and like how it works for the skin, my skin in particular. But yeah, so they have different cycles that you can do. You can do a 6-week one, a 10-week one, and a 14-week one, and it's recommended that you do it for 3 times a week. I did it 3 days in a row. I kind of want to do it every day, but here it says 3 days a week. It also says first time use, do a light sensitivity, and if it feels uncomfortable, to stop using. So I didn't feel anything uncomfortable. Like I could kind of feel it, like something different. They say you might feel like a tightening effect, or you might get like a little bit of redness. I didn't get that so much, but it is a possibility. And I assume I didn't get it because I am dark skin. Okay, so what I can say after 3 days of use is that I have seen some reduction in my pimples. They're not as big and like protruding the skin like they were, as you guys can see. Let me know. I'm gonna do some side-by-sides, but you guys can let me know if you guys see anything different. And of course, while I'm editing, I'll let you guys know if I notice anything else either. But yeah, so this is my skin day 3. All right, so if you guys are looking to start your red light therapy journey and you want to do it for under $200, I would definitely look into this FOLOKE one. I hope I'm saying it, FOLOKE mask. You guys will be pleasantly surprised with the quality of it, how it feels, and really like the simplicity of how easy it is to use. I am really impressed. I also like that it's actually like bendy. I feel like a lot of them are like those hard, like thick ones, but I like that it's bendy. I like that it's going to be really easy to like wipe off because it's silicone. And yeah, the quality just feels really good. So I'm super excited to be starting my red light therapy mask. I'm happy to be sharing it with you guys. Let me know what questions you guys have and I'll answer them along the way of this journey. Expect another video in about a week. So today is September 12th, 2004. It is not 2014. Today is September 4th. Today is September 12th, 2024. So expect a video before September 20th, 2024 of an update of how my skin looks. And again, lots of lighting, you guys. You guys can see the acne scarring, but some of the acne went down from the other day. So that's very exciting to say. Within 3 days, my acne has gone down a little bit. In another video, I will share my whole skincare routine and what else I'm using in addition to this. But yeah, I just wanted to make an intro video for this mask to be sharing this journey with you guys. So thank you guys again for watching. Let me know what questions you have so that I can answer them, or if you have any tips or another person's video that I can look in to see their results or what to do, let me know. I want to share this journey with you guys. So thanks again for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.